If you want to manage out different types of notes together, then another thing that you can use is tags. So to do that, over here on the left side, you can see tags is an option, and you can add in different tags as you wish. So if I were to go around over here, you can see new tag is an option. So if I were to go around and click, then what happens is that I can add in a new tag. So let's say I'm just going to go around and say something like wiki right here, just like this, and click on create. So that is one tag that is added. You can also add in more tags by going around over here. Once the tag is opened, you can go around and click on the create new tag button right here, and you can go around and type in something like information right here and click on create. So once you do that, you can see that 2 tags has been created, and if you were to expand this, you can see that there are 2 tags right here. So if I were to go around over here onto this particular note, then what I can do is I can add in a tag to this now. So if I were to go around over here onto the 3 dot button, you can see edit tags as an option. So over here, I'm going to select wiki for this particular tag, and you can see that wiki tag has been applied to this. Similarly, you can go around and drag it out onto particular notes over here as well, as wiki tags right here, just like this. So you can see that this is the wiki tag, and if I were to click on it, all of the tags with the word wiki pops up. You can also go around and add in multiple tags right here. So let's say for this one, I'm going to add in information and wiki. So if I were to click on information, you can see that this tag pops up. I can go around onto other notes and add an information tag right here. And over here, you can see that you can go around over here as well, go to information tag right here. So if I were to click, then what happens is that all of the notes right here with the information tag pops up right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and add and access out tags right here, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.